For those who want to test out something new, this is AcreetionOS. As you see, it's cinnamon. I've installed it with the Calamares installer. And of course, I've got everything I want, which means I have the sudo pacman-syyu. I've got the Nemesis repo in here. So we have these guys here, AcreetionOS repo main, personal, and Acur and Nemesis repo. So ATT is installed. Let's kill this thing. Yes, please. The tweak tool is installed and supports now, or did support it out of the box actually. And that's fine, right? The tweak tool works now on this particular archlinux-based system as well, with choices like cinnamon. It says immediately Accretion had to do nothing about it. Now, I did make a new update, so let's see if we can sudo pacman things again. That's true. -syyu. It's a very new distro. Version 1, well, makes you realize that there is something about a conflict here, and I'm not sure what this is about. So yes, and archlinux-tweak-tool is coming in. So I've added to the list, as you see here, AcreetionOS. Where can you find it? I suppose if we just type it here, AcreetionOS. I'm thinking again, how did I find it actually? I don't know, via YouTube, I don't know, right? Archlinux made approachable. That's one of the first editions, I think it is, 01. I clicked here, then to download somewhere, downloads, and clicked on this one. And somewhere I saw the version, probably going to be here, 1.0x8664, only 2.1 gigabytes. So software wise, you still have to install lots of stuff. I've installed archlinux-tweak-tool, and I've installed some themes for the cursor, for the applications, for the icons. And this is what we have after a few selections. I've changed a few things in the panel. So a new icon up here, make this a little bit smaller in size. So right mouse click and go ahead and change panel settings, or right mouse click and configure this particular icon up here. What I like as well, what I don't like as well, is that by default, I think they use the symbolic icons for categories, which is this kind of look. I don't like all the white things here. So I put it off, which means it's again colorful, and some small things, right? But basically we're on Arch and we are on AcreetionOS. So have a look if you got the time, if you want to explore something new. This is what you can find about Accretion. All right, cheers.